This Halloween at Yang Fan Preschool, we spun a web of wonder, mixing spooky fun with spectacular learning.
Baking soda and vinegar would cause the ice to melt faster.
Bubbling potions hatching spiders, a magical mix of science and sensory play. Spider races got us breathless with excitement and built our STEM skills on the go.
Yes, that Sammy won.
We discovered spiders aren't insects. They're eight-legged
How many
wonders with
legs do
amazing
spiders
secrets.
Eight.
It has 8 eyes.
Wow. 1, 2, 3.
Even math got a Halloween twist, counting spider legs and solving creepy equations. And then the party began. Our classroom transformed into a Halloween carnival.
Roll.
From knocking down cans to pinning the spider on the web, the games were a blast.
Eyes. Honey, close your eyes.
Our little artists decorated cookies, pumpkins, and treat bags, crafting Halloween memories to take home. At Yang Fan Preschool, we celebrate every season with hands-on discovery and joy.
Halloween. Halloween.
What's that?
No. No. Do it.